again. Thank you for joining me, and props for finishing the second lesson of the alphabet. You're progressing real well. Let's take this opportunity to practice what we just learned with these letters. Remember, pause in the beginning of each line to attempt to read this line yourself, and then continue the video and say it with me to make sure you got it right. Let's begin with the first line. Pause now to try it out yourself. Okay, so the first line is ze, za, zi, za, ze. Next line. I, ya, ye, ya, ye. Next line. Ki, ka, che, ke, chi. Next line. Ti, yet, yam, mi, ki, zei. And the last line. Yo, you, lo, mu, vi, ku. Okay, did you get that right? Was it a bit difficult? Try rewatching this video and see if you can get all of them right. And if something is not clicking just yet, try rewatching the last video, the second lesson, to relearn the concept. Alright, thank you so much for joining me, and see you on the lesson number 3.